Hey guys, it's Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha L. Owens. I'm the owner of She's a Marketing Beast, and you guys can just call me Side Hustle Keisha because everything on this channel is going to be bringing you opportunities where you can make money from home. Hey, whatever your side hustle is, we're going to be talking about it. Whatever you would like to do as a side hustle, we're going to find it and bring it to you. Okay, so so that you guys can get that information on a regular basis, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you go ahead and knock out that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're notified. Okay. If you are looking for an opportunity to work from home and make $76 to $100 an hour, I want you to stay to the end of the video because that's what I'm talking about tonight. I'm going to be talking about an opportunity where you can make $76 to $100. Amazing opportunity. But before I get into this opportunity, I want to let you guys know that I do have a free digital download for you. It is a 7 top work from home side hustle guide. It gives you 7 great opportunities where you can work from home, and it goes over them. And I send you some detailed information on each one of those opportunities. So make sure you click the link below in the description so that you can get your copy, okay? Definitely click your link below in the description so you get your copy, okay? We're going to jump right into it. Okay, let's jump right into this one, okay? We're talking about an opportunity for you to work as a writer or editor for major companies, okay? Major companies, some small companies, some medium companies, but an opportunity for you to work from home and write and edit content and articles for major corporations. Everyone needs you to put out dialogue, put out communication regarding their company. So being a writer or editor can make really good money, as we're about to find out. So if you are a writer editor and you wanted to work for major companies and freelance and find different opportunities for you to work from home, you would go to 2 websites. I'm going to talk about 2 different websites where you can put your you can freelance and you can put out your skills into the marketplace and work for some amazing companies. The first company we're going to be talking about where you can go to, first site that you can go to and you can freelance and do work online is going to be called Upwork. Okay, we're going to go right over to Upwork and we're going to go over the website so that you can kind of see what you would need to do if you come here. Okay, so we're going to jump right into just reviewing the site so you know where to go. Once, if this is something that works for you, I want to be able to share some of the perks of working as a freelancer on Upwork. Okay, let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're here on Upwork and you will be applying as a freelancer if you come to this site. And remember, all the links for the companies that I talk about will be in the description below. So let's talk about working as a freelancer for Upwork. So just a little bit about Upwork. Upwork is a platform where you can find opportunities for you to work for companies and you provide them a service. So we're talking about the writer and editor freelancing opportunity. So you would have the freedom to work on ideal projects, a wide variety and high pay, more and more success. The greater the success you have on your projects, the more likely you are to get hired by clients that use Upwork, okay? You get hired quickly. Upwork makes it easy to connect with clients and begin doing great work. Streamline hiring, top rated and rising talent programs. Okay, so you work effectively and efficiently. Okay, with Upwork you have the freedom and the flexibility to work when, where, and how you want to work. Okay, each project includes an online workspace shared by you and your client, allowing you to send and receive files, share feedback in real time, use our mobile app. So they have a mobile app that you can use to get updates on your projects that you're working on. You get paid on time. All invoice and payments happen through Upwork. Hourly and fixed price projects, multiple payment options, so that's good. There are service fees. So if you're working for with using Upwork as a freelancer, I'm going to read over the servicing fees because this is something you need to know so that when you do sign up with them, you'll know how you'll be getting paid and the percentage of what you get and what Upwork will get. Okay, so Upwork charges freelancers a sliding fee based on the freelancer's lifetime billings with a specific client In other words, the more business a freelancer has done with a client, the more they'll earn, okay? So specifically, Upwork charges the freelancer a fee, 20% for the first 500 billed with that client, 10% for the lifetime billings with the client between 501 cent to $10,000, 5% for the lifetime billings with the client that exceed $10,000. So when a freelancer bills 500 or 10,000 with the client, the freelancer automatically earns a lower fee going forward with the client. The freelancer will therefore see an increase in the take-home earnings, okay? Additionally, Upwork charges 15 cents per connect. Typical monthly freelance costs for connects are $5. Connects are what you use to submit proposal for the jobs posted um, in our marketplace. Depending on the job post, you'll use between 1 and 6 connects to submit a proposal, okay? So here they've kind of broke it down for you in regards to how you would get paid. Here's a little chart here which talks about how you would get paid, okay? The percentages of what you would get paid, okay? So that's that. Then you could apply as a freelancer, and you would go here and get your free account started, okay? So that's that. Let's go back because I want to show you one more thing. I'm going to go to Get Hired. Hang in there, guys. I want to go to writing because we're talking about writers and editors. So I just want to kind of give you an idea. This is the writing wizard. If I were a company and I were coming here, I can get started to find talent, but that's not the case. We're the freelancer. So we want to go down here. I want to go over some of the companies that you will be working for. You could be working for. So they've worked, they're listing here companies that they've worked with in the past. So Microsoft, Airbnb, GE, Automatic, Bissell, and Cody. Hire for any scope of work. So the companies are coming here and hire for any scope of work. Short-term tasks, recurring projects, and full-time contract work, which, you know, if you're looking for full-time contract work, that's a great opportunity. Here are some of the browse our highest rated writers and editors. So we're looking at $40 an hour, $63 an hour. And we have Stefan here, who's a copywriter. He makes 130. His fee is 130 an hour, and he's clearly be getting it because it's listed here. And these are they showed us their top rated performers. Steven out of New Jersey is getting $110 an hour. Okay, let's see. And Heidi is getting 63. She handles copy editing, creative writing, and travel writing. So, I mean, $50 is still not bad an hour, editing, article writing, and technical writing. That was Sarah out of Oregon. And let's see, Hillary out of New York is making $40 an hour. She does editing, proofreading, and copy editing. Okay, so this is where you would go if you were interested in opportunity. You would go ahead and go ahead and create an account for yourself, and go ahead and post yourself and wait for jobs to come in. So that was the United States. Worldwide, there's a good range of $65, $70. Asif he charges $75 an hour. Luis is charging 60. So Kyle is charging 150 an hour. He does inbound marketing, content writing, and copywriting. Let's check out Kyle. Let's see if we can get to check out Kyle and see a little bit about him. Kyle S, marketing strategy consultant and sales copyright. I was skeptical to hire a copywriter, but Kyle delivered. He changed the copy on my site and it made a big difference. I would highly recommend recommend him for any job. So that was basically a review that Kyle got. This talks about just, you know, some of his work and I guess some of his prices here. He's a ghostwriter um, for guest post opportunities, looking for creative web content writer for freelance writing platform. So these people all wrote wonderful reviews. He has 5 stars across. I would highly suggest Kyle, as he pays great attention to detail and is delivering on time. Furthermore, he is very responsive and easy to work with. So that is just a little bit about Kyle, and this would be how, if you were to work on Upwork, how companies would come back and rate you, you know, basically rate you and give their feedback about the services you provided. So that is just one platform where you can make money as a writer and editor. Well, I'm giving you 2 platforms. So let's jump right over to the number 2 platform is going to be Fiverr, you guys. So Fiverr is the number 2 platform where you can go and list yourself as a freelancer and as a writer and editor and get paid as a writer and editor. Let's jump right over and find out a little bit about one of the writers at Fiverr, on Fiverr, using Fiverr, okay? So Fiverr empowers me to get better at my craft every single day. I love that I can earn extra money while helping my clients grow their own businesses. And that's Matika Q out of Fort Worth, Texas, okay? So let's check out another person working for Fiverr. But if you want to start selling, you would click here, okay? So let's check out. Let's just check out this video editor, okay? So Fiverr gave me the opportunity. This will be Chris. Fiverr gave me the opportunity to connect with clients from all over the world, famous musicians, amazing speakers, and business owners. I would not be where I am today without Fiverr. So it just tells you a little bit about the character of the company. So 2 same platforms offering you opportunity to freelance, but they're just 2 different platforms. I'm assuming you can place your yourself on both of those platforms and take projects from both platforms. So you would create a gig, deliver great work, and get paid. That's how it works here on Fiverr. So if you are a writer and editor, statistics are saying, or US News stated, that 9% of writers and editors make anywhere from $76 to $100 an hour. So the average is showing, we saw the average on Upwork, we didn't see anything less for $40. So you definitely want to take a look at these 2 platforms if you have the skill of writing and editing, and place yourself here and be able to work at your convenience on your time when you want to go ahead and finish projects for amazing companies and get paid. You guys know that, again, my name is Keisha, and I share with you opportunities for you to make money from home, whether that's online or offline. I'll continue to bring these detailed opportunities to you, walk you through, share their site with you so that you know these are real companies and they're looking for people with amazing skills like yourself to come and work for their company. But my whole goal is to share with you ways that you can make money. But definitely, this is an opportunity for you to work and get paid by the hour. That's trading your time for dollars, and that's great. But if you guys are looking for passive income, I definitely want you to check out my number 1 recommendation for making money at home and my number 1 recommendation for making money online. Those will be listed in the description box below. I want you to click on it. Take a look at those opportunities, because if you're looking for a way for you to make money, wake up and make money while you were asleep, wake up and notice that you have notifications on your phone saying that you've made money while you were sleeping, or you're in the grocery store and you get a notification that you've made money online. Listen, or you go to your mailbox and you look in your mailbox and you have made money, you guys want to check out the links below. I definitely want to share with you multiple ways for you to make money from the comfort of your home, but I also want to share with you ways for you to make passive income. So definitely check that out. Make sure you get my 7 top work from home side hustle guide. It's free to you. That'll be in the description box below as well. And I'll see you in my next video. You guys have a blessed night. Don't forget to hit subscribe and don't forget to knock out that notification button. So every time I upload a video, you're notified. See you guys in the next video. Have a good night. Bye-bye.